next one is over here. I don't know how far away it is, but
It's probably where I was when we spawned.
it's actually
Or where
might be
I
a
spawned.
possibility.
Rah!
Let's see this pistol. I don't like sharks, man.
They're cool. They do the
No,
funny
they're
stuff.
not. They're
They're
so...
like doon doodle doon 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 dun dun. Doon 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 doon
There's a camp
doon doon.
right here.
Oh, let's go get them. We've
Uh-oh.
got guns now. I'm alerting them of our location.
Oh, crap. I almost dropped a tree on my head. Yo, they got armor this time. Just FYI. Guys, I would not mess with us.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, maybe shooting all my 9mm bullets was a bad
Yeah, you
idea.
probably shouldn't.
But it's okay. I've got skulls now. Look, we also have the meat barrel. This is like my favorite part of coming to these little camps. We have the meat barrel.
Chilling up
Yay.
here, man.
It's a little gay. Is this also made of meat? You chopping it down?
I'm just gonna try.
I don't think you can. It's not initiating a chopping animation.
Alright, I can see the thingy thing.
I think that picking up the guns initiated a system thing like world or game wide to where now we can have a chance to find bullets in little camps and cave things.
Yeah, I mean, I found bullets
I
a
found
couple of
shotgun
times.
bullets or something like that, but I don't have a shotgun.
Oh, I hear beeping. We're getting close. There's somebody up ahead. Two people.
I bet they're good guys. I'm gonna make peace with them. Don't up my peacemaking.
Whoa!
Hey friends. No, no, we're friends. No. Okay, they get it.
There's a lot of them, dude.
They're like, oh heck no, bro.
You made me do it! Dang. Man, shot him in the back, huh?
Why is he laughing? Don't laugh at my bullets. It's not funny.
Ow!
Don't laugh at my bullets. No, you get back over here. Don't you dare run from me. He's running away. Okay, you know what? I scared him off. He laughed at my bullet. No one laughs at me.
Oh my.
Was he still alive?
Yeah, I shot him in the arm.
Anyway, we have made it. There's more. What's at the marker though? Oh, I see it. It's right here. Oh no, someone died here.
Oh wait, you got it?
Cloth collected. I collected some cloth from this. Come here.
Oh, yeah. Where's the dude at?
Why is it? Wait, why is it still purple?
Hey, hold on a second. I have an
Is there
idea.
something else? Oh, yep.
Oh, come with me
Skinwalker.
real quick.
Okay, where were we? Oh, you got a shovel? When did you get a
Ha
shovel?
ha!
4 zillion IQ. Wait, how do we open it?
I'm a
Oh,
damn
no.
genius. There's a shotgun!
It's like Doom, like
Alright, Trayson, I'm not gonna cap. I want a
Oh, you
lot of
can
credit
switch
for
your
that.
ammo type. You can switch your ammo type if you have other kinds. I've got slugs. Wait, I've got slugs and buckshot. It doesn't work anymore. I can't switch ammo types. Or set the slug. Well then, let me switch it back. Switch the buckshot. It only works when I'm looking at him though. Where's my shotgun? Where is it? Keep the shotgun.
In the top left box.
Oh. Gun thinks he's Halo.
Okay,
I'm about to
now
go
what?
blow someone's face off. Let's go finally get Calvin. Let's go finally show him what he deserves.
No, no.
Where's some of those skinwalker dudes at? We need to take them out.
Yeah, we need to find
I need to play
another
Doom
cave
Eternal.
or something, right? Why can't we open the GPS light all the way out?
I have no idea. Oh, let's see if this deer understands. I didn't even have to use slugs on this deer, bro. Oh wait, it's
you
called
shot?
buckshot. I'm stupid.
I didn't even hear you shoot.
Because I'm using a
Whoa!
silencer on my
Alright,
gun.
here's your target. Oh.
Skill issue.
thing's
Oh my
depressed.
gosh! It really is Doom Eternal. That dude got launched.
Hey, come here.
Poor dude got thrown.
Don't
Oh, look,
run
it's a
from me.
camp. Hey, wait, we got a camp. See if there's any loot we need. I got another light bulb. Oh, we can save real quick. I just saved my game.
Yeah, let's do that.
I just saved twice in a row. Oh, and I got some 9mm. So yeah,
Yep.
I think it was a it now checks things to give us some extra loot. Okay, I'm gonna show this dude who's boss. Watch this. His head is gone. It exploded. Raw head collected. Hey, you wanna see Five Nights at Freddy jump scare? I got Five Nights at Freddy. Right there. Get him. Show him what you're made of. Okay, you gotta get closer than that. It's a video game. Video game shotguns don't really, like, have good range.
Where'd he go?
Dude disappeared.
I feel as though he went up a tree.
Rawr! Rawr!
Oh, there's plenty of targets over here.
Let's go get him. Let me get my shotgun
Oh,
out.
howdy, guys.
This is awesome! They get freaking launched!
Oh my goodness!
They got a... Oh, and they're sad.
Big guy! Oh, I just shot you
The
in the
bad
back.
guys aren't even, like, a danger anymore.
Sorry, guys. Oh, what? Whoa, what is this? Oh, they got one of the dudes.
I just got a suitcase open. Had a watch. The higher ranks don't seem to get launched as far, but it's funny still.
I kind of feel bad now.
Behind you, behind you. Reload. Oh, this dude's tied up. Let's let him free, okay? I think he's a friendly. Look, it's one of the skinwalkers. Look, come here. We need to let this dude loose. Come here. I'm gonna let him loose, okay? He's friendly. He's friendly. Ow. He's Flinwee, no.
Alright, let's skin him at the same time.
Wait, I'm not there. Is that creepy armor?
Probably.
Oh, we can. No, we can't skin him. Right. Oh, look who it is! It's our friend. It's our deaf friend
Oh,
who
you
has no
can't.
hearing. Look, it's our deaf friend. Kelvin without ears. What's up, Kelvin?
Kill him
Clear
without ears.
20 meters. Okay. Bye-bye, Kelvin. He's gonna go clean the woods out.
Oh, whoa, 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 that's a woman. That's a woman. That's a woman.
Wait, is she
Let her
friendly?
mourn. Let her mourn.
Oh, she's sad. The women moment. This is why women don't get anywhere.
I feel like she's gonna be an enemy in the future. No, she's alright. Alright.
Get outta here.
let her- Please tell me you didn't do it.
I don't know if she lived from that. It was a very long ride. Oh, no, she's good.
Alright, don't do that.
They are not sentient. What does this dude stink? Night 5 color. What is this? Okay, you tell me right now what this is. What am I holding within my hands? I'm right behind you.
Where'd you get that?
I'm moving.
Dude, I don't know what. Oh my god!
Wait, it's got a battery. I don't want to kill the battery. Get off, get off. Jump twice to dismount from the night. This is awesome, but you can't bring it with. Okay, you have to carry it if you want to bring it somewhere. So I'm gonna carry
Sit
it.
down, man. Oh crap, we got a blizzard.
You can sit down. This game's just spoiling us now. This was such a change of pace. They had to give us
It
the
really
night
was.
5.
Got a pistol, a shotgun, and then that.
I'll bring it with us
That's
wherever
so
we go. This
funny.
thing is freaking fast.
Holy crap.
The bushes slow it down though, so we need to clean out the bushes. Oh, look, the skinwalkers are back. They're mad because I took their cool little riding device. Nah, bro, I'm gonna do the jump. Here we go. Oh, it can land jumps. This is awesome. Bro, you can do trick shots. Can you go fast? Oh my gosh. You can go fast.
Hold on. I gotta find this thing.
I wonder if there's like a trick shot combination of these things.
Where would it be in your inventory, I wonder?
Nah, you can't carry it. Wait, look out, the skinwalkers are here. You can't carry it. You have to just pick it up and walk with it.
Wait, what?
Like, it's too big. So
where'd I
it's just
put
a
mine
walkie
at?
thing. I think this is only one. I only saw
No,
this
I
one.
picked one up too.
Oh, you did? Wait,
Yeah.
well then, I feel like this is it.
I,
Well, let me see. I'm gonna try to
I
put.
stuffed it in my pocket.
Oh, okay, yeah, you can't stuck it in your pocket. I pulled out my hatchet and it dropped it. This is it. Let's bring it with us. Here, I'll carry it if you get the monsters.
Dude, where did mine go though? Oh,
I
wait,
think
is
only
it over
one
here?
spawns.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, but I'm pretty
Whoa.
sure you can't put it in your backpack, so we need to carry it where we're going, or ride it where we're going. Yeah.
Oh god.
Yeah, you can't hit anything. Like we need around our house, we need to cut all the shrubs constantly. Okay, it has weird acceleration, which is awesome for Pasta.
Oh god! I ran over a house. Alright. Yeah, this is coming with us now.
The battery hasn't died yet. Actually, I don't know how to charge it though, or give it new batteries. What do I do?
I don't even know where you see your power thing.
If you look straight down. Oh, you have to be on it.
Yeah.
It's still green for me, like all the way. It hasn't changed yet. Where should we go?
I don't know, but this guy got effed up.
I'm gonna run over him.
Alright, I see where we are now.
I
Alright,
ran
let's
over him.
ride.
Oh, you can jump! Don't double jump, but if you just tap jump, you can jump.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know
dude.
how that. Ow! 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 I went too fast. The babies are out here. What the crud? Hey, wait. Is this close to our treehouse?
Kind of.
This ain't
Yeah.
it. Well, I thought this was it right here.
Oh God! I hit a rock.
Okay, wait, I'm far away. I'm near the skinwalkers. Let me get over there. The Night 5, bro. What the crud? I was not expecting the Night 5 to show up. That was so funny. I was like, oh my gosh, it's one of those hoverboards they call them with the
That
wheels.
was like a segue.
It's so funny. They knew exactly what they were doing. We can go. Okay, you know the big lake that's completely froze over? We need to take them there. I don't know where that is though. You know, the place where I told Kelvin a few months ago to clear 20 meters.
Woo! Oh! Yeah.
I'm gonna try to roll where you are.
Oh, I just ran up on an enemy place. Goodbye.
Oh my gosh! You can land long jumps with the Segway thing.
Alright, I see a cave thingy. I don't know if we've been... We just need...
Ow! I hit a stump. Ow! You can go freaking fast.
Oh, I'm collecting leaves as I'm going across here.
I've got like a zillion leaves.
Ow! I had another rock. Alright, that's something you gotta watch out for.
I'm just gonna keep going left and right and hope I don't hit anything. Oh, can it go in the water?
I don't know, I'm about to find out.
Yes.
It can.
I'm coming up behind you. Kinda. I'm a little far away. Oh, but it can't go up this hill. It's too high. Oh, it can climb trees. It just started climbing a tree, but I had to stop it. It was about to get bad.
I'm heading towards this cave over here. I don't remember if we've been here. I think we did.
The lakes are like the roads. Oh my gosh, it's screaming. It's like, it's going so fast.
Holy crap!
I'm going freaking fast. Bro, this is what Pizza Tower feels like. I'm going Mach 4. Okay. Okay. This here, this
Oh,
is
God.
a good. This is gonna be my description of the day for Pizza Tower.
There's a dude.
That's exactly what it feels like. Okay, I came up here so they don't hit me.
I don't know if we've been up here.
Ow! 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 Doodling. I love how it does the doodling like the scooters of Drew Southern. I was like it's gonna blow up.
Hey, you're ramping up those high RPMs. It's getting dark really fast, dude.
Oh, it's cool. It's got a like flashlight function. You can use it and your lighter at the same time. I can't wait to bring this into the caves with us.
Oh my god. There's a cave right here. I can't remember. Uh-oh. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. Okay. She don't swim, okay?
No, I think I'm good for this today. I think I'm ready to get off of this soon, but we need to save.
Okay, yeah, we've been to this one.
We need Kelvin, but he's clearing 20 meters. Oh, look, a sunset.
Dude, that is really pretty. I can build a little shelter here.
Oh yeah, let's make a
I
shelter
heard
so we
something
can
and
save.
I don't like it. Alright, give me a second. This game is awesome.
The Night 5. Okay, I saved. We can come back to this next time.